Welcome to this guided meditation for becoming radiant in self-worth. Begin by finding a comfortable position, whatever that looks like for you. When your body feels ready, gently close your eyes and allow yourself to settle into this moment. Take a deep breath in, feeling your stomach and rib cage fully expanding, and exhale with a gentle release. Let your awareness center in on your breathing, noticing the natural rhythm of expansion and contraction. As you breathe, begin to tune into your body. Notice the weight of gravity, the points of contact between you and the surface on which you are resting. Just observe, accept, and allow whatever you notice, harboring no judgment. Simply be present with what is, with a sense of compassion in your heart. Now, I want you to imagine a warm, golden light beginning to form in the center of your chest. This light represents your inherent worth, your radiant value that has always existed within you. With each inhale, this light grows brighter and more expansive. With each exhale, it spreads throughout your entire being. As this light fills your heart space, begin to feel a deep knowing that you are worthy exactly as you are. Not because of what you do or accomplish, but simply because you exist. This worth is not something you earn or lose. It is your birthright, as natural as your breath. Allow this golden light to expand beyond your heart now, flowing down through your arms and into your hands, down through your torso and into your legs. Feel it illuminating every cell of your body. You are glowing with self-worth from the inside out. With each breath, affirm to yourself silently, I am worthy. I am valuable. I am enough. Feel these words resonating through your being like gentle waves of truth. There is nothing you need to prove, Nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to become. You are already whole. Notice how this radiant light of self-worth makes you feel lighter, more expansive, more at peace. This is your natural state. This is who you truly are beneath any doubts or criticisms. You are a being of infinite worth, deserving of love and respect, especially from yourself. As you continue to breathe in this state of radiant self-worth, imagine this golden light extending beyond your body, creating a beautiful aura around you. This light is magnetic, drawing in all the love, opportunities, and experiences that align with your highest good. When you know your worth, the world reflects that knowing back to you. Take a moment to extend gratitude to yourself for being here, for choosing to nurture your relationship with yourself. Say thank you to your heart for its constant devotion, to your body for carrying you through life, to your spirit for its resilience. Now begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Roll your shoulders gently, wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel yourself grounded and centered, carrying this radiant sense of self-worth with you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the world around you while maintaining this beautiful inner glow. Remember, this light of worth lives within you always. You can return to it anytime you need to remember your inherent value. Take this radiant energy with you into your day, knowing that you are worthy of all the love and goodness life has to offer.